Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video is going to be in the travel trailer. We're going to be adding an accessory, which I'm sure you've seen already by the title and the intro. But as always, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. We're almost going to hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you to everybody who has subscribed and is watching the vids. But today we are installing the MaxAir vent cover. Now, if you have a travel trailer, RV, or anything like it, you know that there are air vents either in the front, in the back, and for us, it is in the back in the bathroom. It is a crank open unit. I'm going to show you that here in a minute. But when it rains, the rain will come straight in. There's nothing to stop it. There's nothing to protect it. So this is a super cheap, super easy solution to where you can keep ventilation in your travel trailer, RV, or whatever you may have, and stay protected from the rain, stay protected from any bugs. So let's get started. Alrighty, so as we walk to the back here, the bathroom, we have our vent, we have our sunlight, which we love that because it gives you a little more headroom, but most importantly, our vent. Now we do have this small stock exhaust fan. We plan on upgrading that in the future, get a little more airflow going, but the old school crank, and then it opens up. Now, once again, the problem with this is the rain comes straight down, comes in and soaks the floor, which is never a good thing. So we're gonna get that MaxAir cover on and solve the issue. Alrighty, so here's what it looks like from the inside. Everything is nice and protected. You can see the lettering on the outside. Everything still works as it's supposed to, shuts fully, and it opens. Now it doesn't open as far as vertical as it used to, but there is plenty of room, and I really never opened it much farther than this when we didn't have the cover on. So we're protected from animals, bees, anything like that getting in here and making a nest. It does come off very easy, as you saw. So here it is on the inside. So there you have it, guys. Quick, easy, do-it-yourself installation. Keep the rain out. Keep the camper, RV, or whatever you have plenty ventilated at all times. If you ever have any issues with it, you can basically take those 4 little nuts off the top, pull it off, just in case you do get a bee in there or anything like that. Super quick takeoff, super easy install. Hope everybody liked the video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. We will catch you on the next one. Stay tuned, lots to come. See you later.